Hey guys, WBTreece here, WBTreece Consultants. We got a great response on our video for the upcoming InterNACHI Pro Inspectors Convention 2023, where we're speaking for and with CCPIA. I wanted to mention that we also have 2 classes online with ccpia.org. We already mentioned the commercial kitchen inspections course that we developed with Rob and Maggie from CCPIA. There's an earlier course called Introduction to Commercial Report Writing that we wrote last year for CCPIA. That one I'm on video. I'm talking directly to you. It's administered a little differently. But if you're wanting to learn a style of report writing, learn a cohesive approach to the way that you look at your reports and your verbiage, I'd recommend that to you. We've developed it over the course of many years of training home inspectors and commercial inspectors, and we'd love to get it to you through CCPIA and hear your feedback. Thanks so much.